In this section, we're going to see how to link data from an Excel workbook into a Word document. So in this case, I've got my data, so I'll just simply select this area of data here, and I'll press Control-C, so let's now copy that into memory. If I go over to Microsoft Word, if I was just to press Control-V, that would paste it in, but it wouldn't link. So what I need to do is to click here, and these various options will be displayed. Now what I want to do is click on where it says Paste Special. And within the Paste Special dialog box, if I click on this item here, that will link it. So if I click on OK, so if I go back to the original data, let's say I change this last value from 45 to 3, just so we can see the difference. If I go over to the Word document, as you can see, that has been dynamically linked. If I go and save this, so I'll just simply save this as sales region, and I'll close it down. If I go back to the original data here, and let's change this to 3000, or 3000 we'll change it to, just so you can see the difference. I'll go and save my changes here, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to reopen the Word document. So here's my Word document. If I reopen it, you can see you get this message saying this document contains links that may refer to other files. Do you want to update this document? Click on yes, and there you are. So even though I closed down this document, changed the original in Excel, when I came back to this document and reopened it, it gave me the opportunity to update the data, and as you can see, that's been updated and the two are definitely linked. So that's how you can link data from an Excel workbook to a Microsoft Word document.